Okay, this is one thing you can do when you don't receive your van on time. Once you have this taped out with square angles and a bit of straight line timber and a tape measure of course, then you start to realise that this is the space that you have to build your travelling home in. The next logical thing to do seems to be to put in your major frost wall marking and then start to work from that. Once you have a couple of the major pieces in place, you start to see whether you've got enough space and get a sense of the space. This is close, but not finished. There's a lot of things that need to be cut down. Fundamentally, the height, because it is an ex-ambo, will be lower than those shelving brackets. But that's fundamentally the layout. It's a bit wonky. I've had to prop up the side, the bars on some boxes rather than as they will be fixed to the wall on a hardwood panel. But fundamentally, and this shelf will be much longer, go out to here where you have a wardrobe and the lower garage. Front side door through here, porta potty and fridge underneath there that pull out. And that is about the height of it. Okay, I'm just testing the space for the pullouts now. That is the porta potty and the refrigerator. So not in their finished boxes, but basically that's the format. And they'll pull out to here, which I'll just do in a second. Test that space. So pulled out, there's plenty of space for these. They can come out even a bit further. And there'll be a Langdon table on that corner, which should pivot around and enable the porta potty cabinet to be a stool, if you like,